everybody, smart Mr. Lingua. Today I want to explain you about greeting and farewell in speaking English. For natural sounding conversation, the fastest way to improve your English usage is to not use mechanical or memorized phrases to your greeting and farewell. Most students have memorized one or two basic greetings and use them too often. Some of the greetings that are taught to young students are stiff and unnatural. In particular, the tried and true and very tired, fine, thank you, and you. Most native speakers will immediately adjust their language to what they guess is your English skill level based only on your initial greetings and responses. If you greet them with a mechanical and unnatural greeting, they may give you a very simple response and most likely won't be very responsive, as they will assume that your skill level is low and that it will be difficult to communicate with you. Don't let them underrate you based on poor first impression. Hello everybody. Today I want to explain you about a common greeting set. First example, A. Good morning, how are you? B. I'm fine, thank you, and you? It is one of structural and mechanical. And try more flexible set of initial greetings such as good morning, how are you today? Good afternoon, how are you doing today? Good evening, how are you doing? How do you do? Your responses can be even more flexible and demonstrate warmth and friendliness. For example, I'm doing very well. How about you? Great. How are you doing today? Just fine. And you? I'm okay. How about you? Though often popularized on television and movies, avoid overly familiar and casual greeting unless you are talking to close friends. Example: Yo, howdy, what's up? How is it going? What is happening? And then we are talking about appropriate farewells. These farewells are appropriate in a business setting or when leaving people other than close friends. For example, goodbye. It was nice to see you again. Good evening, good night. Have a good evening. Have a good day. Have a good night. Casual farewells. Use these farewells only when leaving close friends. See you later. Take it easy. Bye bye. See you again. The command throughout Asia is commonly used among native speakers. Thank you for watching our video. See you later.